Good morning, everybody. I'm meteorologist Beau Dodson. It's Wednesday, May 10th, 2017. We're starting off on a warm note today, and we will be quite warm by this afternoon with high temperatures mostly in the 82 to 86 degree range. Cannot rule out some warmer temperatures well above normal. We had mostly 80s in the region yesterday as well. We are going to be watching a storm system to our north. You can see showers and thunderstorms up in Iowa this morning, everywhere from Omaha, Nebraska to Des Moines into the Cedar Rapids area, and a few storms extending into Illinois as well. That frontal boundary will stay to our north today, but over the next few days it will start to sag southward, and we're going to see increasing chances for showers and thunderstorms in our own local area. The peak of chances will probably be on Thursday afternoon into Thursday night, with a few showers remaining into Friday morning before it all moves off towards the east. We pull up the Storm Prediction Center severe weather outlook for today, and you can see that our area is in a light green shade. That means a few thunderstorms possible. It looks like most of the storms will stay to our north today. I did include a 10 or 20% chance for an isolated storm, but again, don't think we're going to see much in our area today. You move to the north, a marginal risk for severe weather over northern Kentucky back into central Illinois, central Missouri, north of my local forecast area, and a slight risk here in the yellow. That's a level 2 out of 5 risk. The marginal is level 1. That's a lower level. Now let's pull up tomorrow's severe weather outlook, and we can see here on Thursday the Storm Prediction Center has slid the severe weather risk a little bit further south, and this does include our area, a level 1 out of 5 risk in the dark green, and then a level 2 out of 5 risk in the yellow area. That's a slight risk. Slight risk means that severe storms probably will occur, but limited in nature, meaning a few reports of severe weather possible, but perhaps not widespread severe weather. We do have a chance for large hail on Thursday afternoon. We have quite a bit of CAPE energy in the upper atmosphere, and the freezing level should be about right for some reports of hail across southeast Missouri, Illinois, into perhaps parts of West Kentucky. We'll keep an eye on that. Perhaps some damaging wind gusts as well. Another concern for Thursday will be training thunderstorms. That's thunderstorms that move over the same area. If that were to occur, the ground is already saturated across much of the area. That could cause some heavy rain with some flash flooding. We'll just have to keep an eye on that. If the front continues to move, we won't have to worry about the training thunderstorms over the same areas. But if the front slows a little bit, that's when we could get heavier rain, 1-2 inches of rain in some areas from heavy thunderstorms. Generally speaking, about a half an inch to an inch of rain is anticipated with this system. Medium confidence on that. And then again, any thunderstorms that occur, or slow-moving storms, could always produce locally heavy rain. Let's take a look at the Futurecast radar from the high-resolution NAM model. Now, this is what this model believes will happen over the next 48 hours or so with this precipitation event. We'll just move through today, and we'll stop tonight here around 10 o'clock. And you can see a band of showers and heavy storms from Kansas City, Missouri over towards Lafayette, Indiana. And you'll notice over time that the system will slowly move further and further south. Stop here at about 7 a.m. in the morning. Now you can see a few thunderstorms over southwest Illinois, say towards Mount Vernon into the Carbondale area. Another band of storms back here. You'll notice that we stayed dry most of Wednesday night, Wednesday afternoon, Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and then we'll introduce a chance of thunderstorms on Thursday morning into Thursday night as the frontal boundary slowly sinks to the south. We'll keep moving through the day, and we should have a lull in the morning. Atmosphere recharges a little bit. If we get sunshine, then we'll pop back into the upper 70s to lower 80s. That will also help to stabilize the atmosphere. Now, there are some questions about how much cloud cover there will be on Thursday, and we'll just have to monitor that as we move through the day. We'll move in the afternoon about 1 o'clock, not much going on, but then after that is when thunderstorms redevelop in that unstable atmosphere along the sagging front. And some of these storms could be quite intense with the possibility of hail and gusty winds, as we discussed earlier. And you notice how they're lined up from west to east. We're going to have to keep a close eye on that because, again, if we start getting training thunderstorms moving over the same areas, that's when you get your locally heavy rainfall totals. And this area right here was hit very hard over the last 2 weeks with anywhere from 7 to 14 plus inches of rain. We obviously don't need more heavy rain across southeast Missouri or southern Illinois, west Kentucky either for that matter. We'll keep moving through the afternoon and evening hours. We'll stop here at 7 o'clock on Thursday. If you have outdoor plans, ball practices, you'll want to keep an eye on radar. We could have some heavy thunderstorms in the area, and you see them lined up from west to east across our area. You'll notice that it did sag a little bit southward. Well, again, we'll have to keep an eye on how fast the frontal boundary moves south to determine just how much rain occurs. We'll keep moving through Thursday evening. Stop here at about 10 o'clock, and you see the frontal boundary sagging a little bit further southward. Heavy storms over southern Missouri, Arkansas, perhaps into northwest Tennessee and western Kentucky. Some remaining rain showers to the north. Keep moving through Thursday night, 1 a.m., 4 a.m., 7 a.m. Now, anyone with plans on Friday, we think there will be a risk for perhaps some lightning, but this should end from west to east. The question is, how fast will it end? Some of you have field trips on Friday. School's getting close to summer break. I know some of you are going into southwest Indiana on some field trips. We'll have to keep an eye on radar. I cannot rule out showers on Friday. Plan on showers, cooler temperatures as well. Highs probably not getting out of the 60s, maybe some lower 70s, but behind that system, cooler air moving into the area from the north and west promises probably not the best day on Friday. We'll move through Friday morning, 10 a.m., 1 p.m., 4 p.m., 7 p.m., and you'll see everything moving off to the east. Again, some question mark on how fast all this exits on Friday. If it slows any more, we'll probably still be dealing with showers, perhaps a rumble of thunder, even on Thursday afternoon. It will end from west to east. Southeast Missouri, southwest Illinois ends first, and then that clearing line, at least from the precipitation, will continue to push eastward. So, bottom line, if you have plans on Friday morning, Friday afternoon, even Friday evening perhaps, you'll want to check back for the latest forecast, monitor radars, see how fast we can push this out of here. Some of the other guidance does take it out fairly fast, so we'll hope for the best, but plan for showers at least on Friday morning and perhaps into the afternoon hours, with everything ending on Friday evening, Friday night, moving off to the east. Dry weather on Saturday and Sunday. A little bit cooler on Saturday. High temperatures probably going to remain in the upper 60s, maybe into the 70s, lower 70s. And then Sunday, perhaps a warming trend as our winds turn back out of the south, and will be a little bit warmer on Sunday. Not a bad weekend coming up. We just got to get through Friday rain chances.